Can't beat some good duct tape. It's like peeling a banana. What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. It is a brand new day here in Tennessee. It's a beautiful, cool autumn morning. And as you can see, we are here with this 2001 Toyota Tacoma. We've been restoring this thing from the ground up. So if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment. We enjoy every one of them. But what I think we need to do today is we need to pull this truck in the shop. We need to get everything in the inside out, put the new carpet in, get everything kind of squared away, and then just start, buttoning up some of the loose ends that we got going on to try to finish this truck up, because that's what we want to do. We've been working on it, for a good while. Some of us got sick in the middle. That's kind of why. So we're going to get it finished up. We're going to move on to something new and exciting. So let's stop talking and let's hop to it. All right. Man, we jumped on this thing. We got the floor all wiped down. We're ready to put this new carpet in. Look at that. Man, you just don't see that every day anymore. You order stuff, you never know where it's coming from. You're waiting on it to get off a boat in California, but not this stuff. Look at here. It doesn't have to go on no boat. This is a carpet. We hadn't even opened it up and looked at it yet. So we got some brand new carpet that's molded and fitted to this truck. So we're going to stretch it all out. I mean, look at that. Look at the beautiful color. I think that was like a mist gray or something like that. I don't know. This was about $150 plus tax, I think, and shipping. But I don't know if y'all saw that old stuff back at the first of this video, but it was different. Wasn't going to make it back in this truck, so we got this brand new stuff. So what we're going to do, we're going to fold it all out, get it all ready, and shove it right up in this truck.
That was a job. That was a job. But look at this. Look at this pretty carpet we put in here. Couldn't have did a better job if you took it somewhere. And check this out. You cannot have a first-gen Tacoma with a third-gen paint job and not have third-gen floor mats. So we put some third-gen Tacoma floor mats in here. The carpet's all nice and clean and installed. Now we're going to work on the steering wheel, try to get that fixed and doctored up. And then, who knows what's going to happen.
Well, man, that job went really, really good. It went really, really smooth. I never sewed a steering wheel cover on a truck before. I think it turned out pretty good. I mean, for somebody that can't sew a button on a shirt, I think it done all right. Man, old buddy, he's excited this morning. He's just barking at squirrels like crazy. But let me check it. Let's check his steering wheel out, man. Check it out. I know it ain't brand new, but it looks really, really close. Alrighty, man. We worked hard. We got a lot done. That putting that carpet in, it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun, but it's tough, man. You gotta get with it to cut them holes out and stuff. They could have done a little bit better and cut out the holes for the seats. I think that would have made the job go a little bit quicker. But you know what? Hey, it's good heavy duty carpet. It's got the padding. It's formed to fit the truck. It looks really good. Should be good for this truck for another 20 years, I think. So that's our goal. We're trying to get this truck to be good for another 20 years. So check this out. And check out that beautiful steering wheel, man. That beeping's gotta go. That beeping drive you crazy. It'll drive you crazy. But it's looking good. It's looking good, man. We're this close. We're this close. We can't wait to finish this thing up. We got lots of exciting things planned for this channel. So make sure you turn those post notifications on. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.